curiosity got me to Shangri-La Boracay. Welcome to paradise. We were easily picked up at the airport. You have to ride a van first, and then you can chill at the Shangri-La lounge before you ride the speedboat. We were picked up by the speedboat. It was only a 10-minute boat ride to get to Shangri-La. We have arrived, and this is our welcoming committee. We were picked up in a buggy, and this is the main lobby. Actually checked in ahead via the Shangri-La app, so we were directly escorted to our room. So here's our deluxe room with sea view. Oh, they decorated our room. Celebrating our 1-year anniversary here in Shangri-La Boracay. Just a fun fact, we actually got married in Shangri-La BGC in Manila, and we really love the service here in Shang. It's really impeccable. Head to the pool. This is the main swimming pool area. Don't forget to find the jacuzzi spots in the pool. There's 2 that we were able to find. And don't miss the lovely infinity pool as well. Now here's the Banyugan beach, which is directly connected to the main swimming pool area. Don't miss the band that plays every 5:30 p.m. The resort also have their own sunset sailing tour. We did this back in 2021, and it was a very chill experience. Now this is the Punta Bungam beach. It's actually directly connected to the next hotel resort, which is Movenpick and Crimson Hotel. It also has amazing sunset views. Now for the facilities, we have the health club or the gym, complete gym equipments. They also have a yoga room, and do check out their sauna, steam, and jacuzzi inside the health club. There's also a salon, a nail salon, Regalo Boutique gift store, and the Eco Center, where you get to do a lot of activities. We did this seashell bracelet making class. did our landscape painting class. Now they also have an adventure zone for the kids. And of course the entertainment center. We spent quite some time here. There were so much things to do, like billiards, basketball, air hockey, Jenga, and they even have chess. Now let's talk breakfast buffet. In order to get to the breakfast buffet, you have to go through the main lobby, ride the elevator down to Ventana Asia Cafe. They have a wide range of cuisine here. You have the Filipino food. They also have healthy juices. And of course, lots of bread. A wide selection of breakfast food. The taho and the puto bumbong. Those are the two must-try desserts. For dinner, you should definitely have it in Shangri-La. It's a lovely cliffside dinner place where you get the view of the beach, the seaside, and the best sunset views of town. Kind of reminds me of Bali. Dinner with kids, so we decided to do the dinner indoor. The food was amazing. I think Serena has the best food out of all the restaurants here in Shangri-La Boracay. We were given free ice cream vouchers and we redeemed it at Cielo. It's the ice cream bar by the beach side. And we also had sunset dinner at Cielo. They have lovely live music here. It was the perfect beachside dinner. If you ever get tired of dining in Shangri-La Boracay and wanted to go to Movenpick or Crimson, you can just walk by the Punta Bunga beach. It's just a short 5 to 10 minute walk from Shangri-La to the next resort. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel Curiosity Got Me.